How to sync separate audio and video after importing into Adobe. Have you ever found yourself with separate audio and video files after a shoot, wondering how to sync them in Adobe Premiere Pro? You are not alone. Many creators face this challenge, but the good news is that Adobe provides several straightforward methods to make this process easier. Let's break down how you can get your audio and video in perfect harmony. First, start by importing your video clip, which includes the original audio recorded on camera, along with the separate high-quality audio file. Once you have both files in your project, you can use a few different techniques to sync them. One popular method is the merge clips technique. Select both your video and audio clips in the project panel. Right-click and choose the option to merge clips. In the dialog box that appears, set the synchronization point to audio. This tells Adobe Premiere Pro to use the audio waveform from the on-camera audio as a reference to align the external audio. If you want to replace the camera audio completely, check the box that says Remove Audio from AvClip. After clicking OK, you will have a new merged clip ready for your timeline. Another effective way is to use the Synchronize function directly on the timeline. Drag both the video and audio clips onto the timeline, placing them close together. Select both clips, right-click, and choose Synchronize. In the Synchronize dialog, select audio as your synchronization point. Adobe Premiere Pro will analyze the waveforms and align the clips accurately. This method is great if you prefer to keep the clips separate but still want them synced. If you find that the automatic methods do not work well due to unclear audio waveforms, you can always resort to manual syncing. Zoom in on the timeline and align the clips by matching the peaks of the audio waveforms or visual cues, like a clapperboard snap. This method gives you full control but requires a bit more patience. For those using professional setups, syncing using Timecode can be a game changer. If your camera and audio recorder share matching timecode metadata, Adobe Premiere Pro can sync the clips based on this timecode. Select your clips, right-click, and choose Merge Clips or use the multi-camera source sequence feature, selecting timecode as your synchronization method. This approach is highly accurate and efficient, especially for multi-camera shoots. To ensure smooth syncing, make sure your clips have clear audio waveforms. Label your clips clearly in the project panel to avoid confusion. You can also use the metadata panel to manage camera labels or angle names when working with multiple clips. After syncing, always check the playback to confirm that the audio and video are perfectly aligned. By mastering these techniques in Adobe Premiere Pro, you can efficiently combine high-quality audio with your video footage, making your editing workflow smoother and improving the overall quality of your production.